Luna and the Moonlit Garden. Once upon a time, in a quiet corner of the world, there was a magical garden that only appeared under the soft light of the moon. This garden was filled with glowing flowers that shimmered like stars and sparkling stems that sang a gentle lullaby. In this enchanted garden lived a gentle rabbit named Luna. Luna had the special job of taking care of the garden, making sure every flower was blooming brightly and even stem was sparkling with magic. One clear moonlit night, a curious child named Sam wandered into the garden. Sam had followed a trail of twinkling lights. "Welcome to the Moonlit Garden," said Luna with a friendly hope. "I'm Luna. Tonight is a special night because the moon fairy is coming to visit. I need help to make sure everything is perfect." Sam's eyes widened with excitement. "I'd love to help. What can I do?" Luna led Sam to a row of moon flowers that needed a little extra sparkle. Luna said, "We need to make these flowers shine brighter for Moon Fairy. Can you help me water them with this magic watering can?" Sam carefully watered the flowers, and as the drops fell, the flowers glowing even more brightly. Luna smiled and said, "Thank you, Sam. Now let's decorate the moonlit path with these glittering stones." Together they spread the stones along the paths, making them sparkle like tiny stars. As they worked, Luna explained, "The moon fairy loves beauty and kindness. When we take care of the garden and each other, we make the world a more magical place." Soon the moon fairy appeared, her wings shimmering like moonlight. She floated gently through the garden, admiring the beautiful flowers and glowing paths. "Thank you, Luna and Sam," she said. "You have made this garden even more magical tonight." Luna and Sam beamed with pride. The moon fairy sprinkled a little stardust around, and suddenly the garden felt even more enchanting. As the night drew to a close, Sam felt sleepy and cozy. "I'm so glad I got to help," Sam said. Luna gave a gentle nod. "Me too. Remember, every night can be magical if we fill it with kindness and care." With that, Sam said goodbye to Luna and Moonlit Garden. As Sam walked back to home, the magic of the garden stayed with him, making their dreams as sweet and sparkling as the garden itself. And so, under the gentle light of the moon, Sam drifted off to sleep, dreaming of glowing flowers, sparkling stems, and wonderful friends they had made. Story end. It's time to go to sleep. Close your eyes. Good night. Have a sound sleep.